let's go to start recording. I don't know if, okay, welcome to how to create a website from scratch. Today we're going to start thinking how should be our website for the community about Pampanga net. I remind this community is for developers in Filipinnes near to the area of Pampanga. Then how we will go? First we need to think how is the website. So we're going to search some HTML template, for example. And then let's see what kind of templates we can do. So I think this is good if I but not remember. Okay, so what kind of layout or template we should be use? We're going to search here for, I think I have here some other, this one, yeah. In this website I always found some templates. So let's try to search for categories here. For example, technology, web hosting, I don't like, web development, entertainment, personal websites, for traveling, portfolio, yeah, something like that. Now I'm going to see some society and people, okay, because we are a community. We don't have some template about communities. Entertainment. Okay, keep it here. So let's see what kind of layout or template do you like for our community. Let's see this template. So this is the template I selected. We have a free, let's see if we have a demo have here. Yeah, I think it's fine, this layout, because no people here, I cannot ask him if you like or not, but I think it's still good. This is, but this don't have blocks, right? So I don't like too much because don't have a block section. So let's try other. Let's try other. I don't like this one. To close. Let's try other. let's see this one. Of a demo. Okay. Very simple also. Let's see if we have a contact us page. We have a gallery page, but maybe gallery we don't need it. I want something about like that. Okay, this can be for some blog or something we are still doing. Here looks like blog content. Here should be, no? This is the blog content. This is coming to the about. So this can be fine. I think we can use this layout. So we can free download, it's for free, so we can use. The little problem is possible is a layout for Bootstrap, and I don't like to use Bootstrap. But it's not a big trouble because I only want to see the layout, how is it. I am not I think I am already with Google. No, not this one. Oh, I need to change my browser. 1 second. I need to use Google Chrome for logging with my account. So how can I download now? He changed something, we cannot download. Okay, no worries. We have the idea here. Okay. So where is the idea? It's here. Okay. This is the idea about the homepage. Okay. So the first we need to do is found how you will to show. It's like that. This usually is made by some graphic designer or some other person, not a programmer. Okay, because a programmer is a programmer. We don't know how to make pretty. No. Then a front-end programmer is the people can translate this one into HTML. And the backend programmers, the people can give functionality. Today we will start with the front end. Okay, so open Visual Studio 2022 is the version I am using. And then I'm going to create new project. Here I will use now the layout I have installed is for pre-render WebAssembly app. Okay, this is a layout you must be to install. It's not coming with with Visual Studio. We will set up a name here about your application, and this is Pampanga community website, right? And where you want to store, then I'm going to store in Pampanga community, and then click create. This layout will create a web API and WebAssembly project. Okay, see, this is the client and this is the web API, because we are still using a layout for pre-render this WebAssembly. What is pre-render? Pre-render is a version of WebAssembly where some server like this web API will render the page in the server side, send to the browser, and then the browser can display directly the website. This is good for the bots and for the user experience when the user entering the website already have the website. Just when the website is already downloaded, all the libraries about WebAssembly is downloaded in the browser, in the background, the user not feel nothing, then the website is already offline. So the user no need any more internet. If we create the website like always offline. It's not the case today, so we're going not to do. This layout, if you want to install, you can go into extensions and go into manage extensions, and in the extensions you search for pre-render, and then it's the only one will show. For now, no, don't have any other in the shop for the extensions with this name. If have more, then possible can come in more. Then when I create this layout, is not yet launched Net8. So the first I want to do is change this one to Net8 for still using the last version of Netcore. This is very simple. You only need to right click, properties, and then you can change here to Net8. And that's all. Save. The same for the web API to Net8. Of course, you need to have installed Net8 SDK in your computer. Next, I'm going to update the nuggets for the full solution, okay, because I already updated to Net8, but my nuggets is still in Net7, see? So I need to update all the nuggets. Click and update all. With these actions, I already have updated my layout to Net8, going to test the layout and have a look if it's working. Sometimes my computer gets slow. Yeah, see? Because it's pre-rendered, I don't have the typical loading about WebAssembly, okay? And this is still using Bulma. Okay, so now what we need to do? First, set up this one like startup project. Okay, so now I need to create this layout we already found, okay? Then we can see we have a header in black with this one, the logo, the contact, some search here, okay? So going to do this one in our website. In Blazor WebAssembly, we have the main layout. Razor is the component will create the layout, but also you need to know you have the HTML file. In this HTML file is where you can add all your static files, static resources you needed, and inside this component is when the website will be rendered. Remind, WebAssembly, Blazor WebAssembly is a SPA page, single page application. So all is only one HTML file, and here is when all should be running. This is for the pre-render action, and if you don't like pre-render, you have your index.html here with the same structure. Okay, the app should be run here. Okay, so let's going to do the layout and have a look. Okay, so in the template we have this nav menu, and this nav menu can be this nav menu. So we will change this component. In Blazor WebAssembly, you can isolate the CSS per component. How we will isolate the CSS per component? We only need the same name of the component, of the file of the component, then right click, add new element, and then same name .css. Okay, this will create our CSS file. See, so here we have this nav. This nav, our layout said is this kind of black, right? So the first is nav background color and then black. It's not exactly this black, but I'm going to have a look what black is this one. I can inspect the page and then get this number. This is my background color. Step 1 is already done. I already have my nav menu with the black one. Now I need this minimum height. Okay, so the same, inspect the page. Then also you see we have this kind of padding and blah blah, so we can still doing this one. In our nav. Okay, what else? The height, where is the height here? Let's see, this is the header, it's the container, okay, so the height should be automatically calculated depending on how many elements we have inside. This is already provided by Bulma, so I don't need to do nothing. I only need to still creating these kind of things. Now I need a div with header top, or this container also. Bulma provide also container. We can delete all. Yes, delete all this one. And then how the website is still doing, they put a class header. Okay, my class header is my nav, is the same, and now I need the container. This row navigation, area navigation, I don't need it here. Then now the container, and now I need other container with the header top. Okay, so and the page set other with top menu. What is this one? Let me see again. Okay, yes, this is the top menu. And where is this one? Is inside of the header. Okay, inside of the header, but outside of the header. Okay. So for not make crazy, we are still in the top menu. Also, you can still doing this one only looking in the page. So I know all this one is my main container, then I have a container here. Well, if I saw this one, I thought my container is until here, but okay. So this is my container. I have one row and two rows. If we will use Bulma, maybe we can do the next thing is using Bulma, we can do class columns. This is a row, okay, and then other row, and I don't need the header top, and for now I don't need this one. Okay, and now here I have 1, 2, 3, and I can fill in 4 columns. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the page they said this is outside, this is like a floating, so yeah, but still I need the space. Yeah, I'm going to put the 4 columns in my layout. So for Bulma is div class column with Bulma. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shortcut for duplicate the line is Ctrl D. Then other row, and in the other row I have a nav bar here. But the same, I have to move up down is Alt up down with the rows. And then, well, really this should be a UL maybe. See, this is a UL. So we're going to use a UL also. I need 1 column inside my columns because all this one is my column. Okay. And then inside this column, now I'm going to put my UL. And then inside the UL, I need my one. Anyway, what we will have in our website? Okay, the home page, the about, maybe the contact, and maybe blogs, no, or histories or something. So this is the home. This is the blogs. This is the about us, and this is the contact. For now, only I still making like the skeleton, and then here I need an image. I don't have image yet, and then the alternative is the logo. We don't have. Here we will show our address, so we can use the address here, and then I think it's this one. Pampanga, Filipinnes. Oops, sorry. And then phone number and something else. The phone number really we don't have, so we're going to use here only for example email address or future the Facebook. We're going to put there the Facebook group link. And then here, if we saw this action, we have some button is giving us search, no? Input box. So for a while, I'm going to put other columns because these two is one row but with two columns, so that's why I put inside of a columns. And now I can put here other div class column, or wait, we don't need, we can use fields. We can use the class name is field, and then my first field is a div class is a control, okay, and this control will have an input take text. The class is an input, and other field I said with other control, and this control only will have the button. The tape is a button. Remind the default is a submit. I don't like a submit action. I want only a button action. And then this button is a class. In Bulma, buttons is button and nothing else because I don't need nothing else. And here we can put the icon. Okay. And the icon, I don't know if I have here, I don't have icons here, so going to the link about some icons. I always use Font Awesome, so I will copy there the Font Awesome link. Font Awesome, and if I don't like pre-render, then in the two file list, really this file is no needed if you always will pre-render, okay? Then now Font Awesome, where is here? Wait, I get the link about the Font Awesome. Font Awesome icons. Oh, sorry, this is the old version. So Font Awesome. This one. Yes. So get the free icons, and I want the search. I think this is not the version. This is, I am still using the other version. Yes, this is my version. I copy here, right? Let me double check. Yes, version 5. And then now search. Yes, this one. Then copy this one and add into my code. Okay, we don't have a great design right now, but we can still check in how it's going. So let's play. Yep. So this is still fine. We need to put some code, but if you see already we have almost this design. Yep. When we fix this size, then get much clearer. Okay, so and now we need to put few things. First, this one, all the colors should be white, and this input box only can be shown when this is clicked. Let's do this small functionality. First, in our CSS, all my container, I want my color is white. Then I want my UL and my LI. What is the icon? What is? I always forgot what is.
Hola.
Hola. Hello.
What is it?
Ah, Lee.
Yeah.
What is for remove the icon in the ULLI? See, how you always forgot.
The icon, I think it's the LD. Yeah, I forgot as well.
The bullet, no? Bullet, no.
Textile? List style, I think.
Ah, still, yeah. List style, yeah. List style is none, okay. Alignment items, I want horizontal. Oh, I don't know. And then, okay, how can I do this one horizontal now?
I think that's for the UL only. UL, you display flex
Display flex.
for the UL only. Then, yeah,
And
just
display flex. Let's see. Yeah, perfect. And now in the LI, we want the flex grow equal 1. Yeah, almost perfect. See, I already still controlling flex.
nice.
Okay, so we already have this one, perfect. Going to put the function. When we still, if you enter and now listen to me, we are still reproducing this layout. I try to download, but they have a problem in the website. I cannot download now, but this should be for free, okay? So we're going to reproduce this one. You see, a little, I am almost there. Also, this is Bootstrap, and we will play with Bulma, no? And then I'm going to put this functionality now in this button.
The search, okay.
Yeah. Then the first is we need to remove from Bulma the default. So here we can still doing my that button, background, transparent. Background color transparent. Okay, and then color white. Yeah, perfect. But border, I don't like any border. Border none. See? But the search here don't have
The same icon.
Yeah, it's not the same icon. The icon should be this icon.
Regular search.
Okay. So what next? The hot reload not working. So let's to force the hot reload. And now it's okay. Perfect. And now I'm going to put this together in only one line. So for do this one, we can remove this container, and here we can set as add-ons, and then I think with this one should be already in the same line. Yeah, it's in the same line now, and now this should be high. Okay, for do this one, we're going to use a backend because we are in Blazor WebAssembly, so we are not using JavaScript for nothing.
So we want it like pre-rendered.
Yeah, but the website's already pre-rendered. This is not a problem. So I'm going to put a boolean about show search box, and then we're going to do some small inline here about style, and we will code. How we code? With the app. Then when this one should be true, then I'm going to visibility is 1, any else visibility should be 0.
No, yeah. But yeah. The spelling is incorrect.
Yeah, visibility. I think now it's okay, right?
Yeah, that's right. That's fine.
Okay, so but this possible I need to.
But do you think we can do like ternary for that? Kind of seems provoke like string template literal.
No, I cannot download. But anyway, it's in Bootstrap,
No.
so I'm going to do. No, it's
Okay.
not. It's not working. Maybe I bad spelling. Yeah, I bad spelling something. Visibility. No, don't like. Why no?
No, because the visibility would be like hidden or
Okay.
that would be the
Okay.
value.
Hidden or visible. Okay.
Visible, yeah. So.
Okay. So the default is hidden. If not, is visible. Because when we do this one, why not again? Why visible? It's hiding. Yeah, I did the reverse here.
It's all put it's reverse.
I did the reverse. I did the reverse here.
Can I? Yeah.
Yeah. Still okay. Still okay. It's my mistake. Okay. So using the visibility, we always keep the search box the search icon exactly in the same place. If we use display none, this icon will move, and then this is not the effect we want. The effect we want is this effect. Okay. So now I'm going to put the function in the bottom. In the on click, click equals show search box is equal to the contrary of itself each time I click.
There's no chat box here, Sergi?
Chat box?
Yeah.
No. It's like that. I want to show or hide. How is in the other? Yes, it's the same. When we click and when we click. We can put also this one. I am lazy. Placeholder here. Oh, Yuko!
Hey, how you doing? ¿Qué tal? English, right?
Yeah, English, because the other people is English. And you are more good in English than me.
Just a little bit.
No, you are more good than me. You are always English when you was young. Wait, I will show you my face also.
Hey, nice background.
Ah,
you're looking good.
but it's the background about the app. My house in the back is so disordered. Where is your kids? Good. You said you will enter with your kids.
You know what? The class is over. 2:05 it was over, and I just realized I was late. I forgot it was today. I thought it was tomorrow. But my students I just got one student here. Look, this is Ryan.
Oh,
where are you?
Hello.
He's working on a robot. Look.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, replacing the motors. Say hi.
Hello.
Sergio, this is my young friend. We grew up together. Right, and he's on a seminar, like building a website from scratch using Blazor. Yeah.
Blazor, yes, Blazor and Bulma.
And what? Bulma?
Yes, Bulma CSS. You know Bulma CSS?
No, never heard of it.
It's much better than Bootstrap. I like so much.
Yeah. Okay, show me what you got.
Okay, so okay, I'm going to turn off the camera. Turn off the camera, please, because my internet is so slow.
Okay.
So
yeah, and my face is so ugly.
You look your father right now, Yuko. You look your father. Really.
Yeah,
you remind me your father.
Wait, let me do it again.
Yeah. Okay, so we are still working here. Okay, we're going to do. Tate quieto, cabrón. We're going to do this kind of layout. Okay, so we are still working in the layout. For now, only about the front end. Okay, today is a little bit about front end. Well, today and few days maybe it's front end only. So for do this one in Bulma, we use Bulma also have container, no, but the row in Bulma is columns and the call in Bulma is column. And almost all the properties in Bulma is super user friendly because has add-ons indicate this field, this input, and this other is together in only one line. So if also, for example, for the buttons is the class is button. If I want to put some color, I only need to set is access and then should be in green. No? Or also you can put has background black. And then it's super comprehensive, these kind of classes. That's why I like Bulma most than Bootstrap. But anyway, continues. Then we are still doing right now the functionality about this click. This is JavaScript. We now use JavaScript. We use only C#. So we will use the event about C# with the app on click. And with the what the name this one, this anonymous function, we change the value about our flag show search box to the contrary of the actual value. And then for coding in Blazor, you use code, or also you can use your code behind file. But for now, we don't have a lot code, so can be only in one file. Then this is our flag, and this is for other things I'm going to remove. Okay, so for now, we already have our functionality. Here. Okay, so this is not using JavaScript, and we already almost have the same view of here. Now we need this kind of icons. For Lucky, we have Lee today, so he can helping us with how to do these actions. Okay, first we're going to search the icons. Again, here in our Phone Awesome homepage. What is the house they are using? Okay, this house. This is in our homepage. Spam class icon for set up a little bit, and then here other spam with home. And now is when our friendly going to telling us how we going to put this one on the top and the other in the bottom from CSS. I know this should be this is flex already, so this should be again display flex or not? No needed, no? Only
yeah, I think then we can just put the display flex on.
Yeah, display flex also, right?
Okay, I think we can just put the display flex on ULLI, because they share the same property. If we're gonna do that.
Yes, and then we save this one, and then here is
we can also delete the
content.
flex.
I want in the
There's vertical.
No, here you don't have vertical.
No, this should be a flex. Flex or
it align items, center also. Let's see.
So for the LI, you don't have logo, or you need to. For the LI, I think you need to flex direct or okay. Should we? I think that's good. Or do you want the?
No, I want like here,
like
up and down, up and down.
Then I think you need to change display flex of LI to flex direction and vertical.
flex direction. No, this should be row or column. I think column then.
Column. Yeah, and I think you can remove the display flex there.
Yeah, it's already up. Yeah, okay. So, and now we already have this one formatted, and now we can continue with all other things. Copy this one into here, into here, into here. And then search icons for contact. No. Email, no? What is the icon here? Yeah. I like more this one. This is for the contacts, the last one. And then we said this is about us, and this is blog. Let's search the icon for the blogs. This one. And the icon for about us, this one. Sorry, this should be here. We need to stop because we add content.
You don't have hot reload?
No, when you change HTML, it's not working fine, so I prefer close. Okay, so this is already good, and now we're going to use the links, okay? And then that's why I am thinking we have a small mistake, because really the style we did is not for LI, it's for the LIA. Okay, because we're going to use a tag, and this is who have that. Then duplicate this one, because what I want is this should be grow, and this is who should be have the flex. So we come back the flex only for the UL and for the LIA. Yes, es así. Okay. Then now, for using this hover action or this also the action about is active, Bulma have the class is active. Then first, we're going to use the A tag here, and then we will use from Blazor navlink, and then the match, we're going to put the match.
This is in WebAssembly, like, right?
No, this is in any
Blazor?
Any Blazor, yes.
Oh,
match.
That's like new, eh? That's a new update?
No, this is always. And then the href, to nobody, and the class, we're going to format this one, but no, I need class because we already did something. Okay, and then inside here we're going to put this one. Okay, going to repeat this action here, here, and here. and this action here, here, and here. Then this should be in blog page. This should be go to about us, and this should be go to contact us, or only contact. Okay. Then what else? We need the hover action. So the LIA hover, we will change the color of the font like this strange color.
Oh, this is like universal, the layout they have. Like
This layout, yeah, this is a layout I can download for free. But the page have some problem and cannot download. And
Yeah.
I still copying this layout.
okay.
I still steal the layout. Then
So, but it's okay. It's okay to copy them, right?
yeah, because it's for free. Then we're going to styling when it's hover and when the when the A is only active. Okay, because this is the class will we add automatically the framework when the link match with my full link. With this one match nav link all the link need to match. If you put here the prefix is like, for example, if you are in blog / something, only with the first blog is already matched with the prefix is already active. But I want when it's all. Then and now should be my home page is the new color. If it's not, we need to clean cache or something. Hey, what happened? So it's not getting the things. See, it's automatically active. Then my LI is not getting my style for the LIA. It's not getting this one right. Why you are not getting this one? Why you are not getting my style?
But you did reload, right?
Yeah, I also clean cache. So, but there's something wrong here. So, is LIA should be good. Is the other two? Why you don't like to get this one? LI, this is A.
Might be because of the override from the nav link.
No, but it's not getting my design, see. Here is not showing my design. Where is my rule? Here is the UL, still okay. The nav. Here is still getting correctly my LA.
But the display, Not there.
Yes. No, I remove because this no need to display. The display is inside of the A. A is who should be have.
Now they've gone horizontal.
The A is who should be have this one. Let me see where I put the style in the block. Also should be display flags. Yeah, also should be display. But that's why it's not getting. I put the display flex from here. See, LA A is display flex, and it's not getting from here. See, it's still ignoring my from the FARA. It's not reading this sentence, and it's not applying this sentence also.
I haven't done CSS, so I forgot.
I'm going to be more restricted. No, see, clean cache is not getting the values. It's not reading the values. This is still okay. Here is still okay. If we get this, see, the CSS is still fine. Ah, no, okay. Sorry. I forgot one thing. This is a component, okay? This is a component inside of my component. Because it's a component inside of my component, he already have his own CSS isolated. So we need to access to this one. And for access to this one, we need to use a special thing.
Selector.
Here is deep. Okay?
This
tag is only for Blazor. When you're working with Blazor, when your style is from inside of my component. So when my component need to override the style from other component.
Yeah, I remember that you told me that.
Yeah. And now should be work. Yeah, see? Now it's working. Perfect.
Nice.
Okay, well, we need to put this one in white. So let's see, this should be color white also, because Bulma is still overwriting my default color for the A tab. Yeah, now it's okay. See? Perfect. I cannot click in any other link because, nothing in this page, but see, the link is already changed.
Yeah.
Eh? You like Yuko?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so easy. The only in Blazor, we need to remind, if you are in a component with CSS isolated and you have other component, this component should have his own CSS. So if you see, when we render the page, see the HTML. This nav is my component and have this ID. If you see, this other is already not with the ID. So the CSS isolated is not affected to here. That's why we need to put the sentence about deep. With the deep, see what happened with the CSS. They put the name of the component, the FARA, before the CSS, and then now before the class, no, my CSS. Then now the browser can read it because the browser know this is inside of this name. See here the name, okay? That's why when I open the file is when I saw, hey, still missing the name. Here, see? I know I need this name. This is only when you have a component inside of other component and you want to override the CSS. Only in this case. If your component, like we are still doing here, all my component have his own things, no needed, because I is still already overwriting this one from my component. Remember here, see, this is from my component, have my ID, and then my CSS is already overwrite. See, I still overwriting Bulma here. And this one always is more restrictive than any other. They only can win this one if you put an inline style like background red. See? Then the inline is the most restrictive, after this one with the ID, and after this one with the tags, with the class. No? Okay, so what else? We don't have address. We need
Sergi,
a logo.
quick question.
Yes?
Sorry to interrupt. What does your environment look like? Because I was late to these sessions. So you download Bulma from GitHub, and how do you set it up? Do you have like a little link where I can look and?
Yeah, I always using the CDN. So here is the CDN for Bulma, and here is the CDN for the phone also. I don't like still downloading, because if you download the Bulma inside of your project, it's your server who need to give the file list. Then it's much better if you have the possibility to use the CDN, use the CDN from the frameworks.
Okay.
So yeah, good question. Yes, good question. But anyway, I'm going to do now the last step for today. We're going to search our logo. Okay? So what we will do? We're going to use our chatbot now. Okay? So can you give me a logo for my community in Pampanga about developers for Blazor, WebAssembly, and .NET 8 backend. Let's see if they can provide us some logo or something. I don't like, this is still creating the logo. I said I don't like this logo, but it's not the logo yet, okay? Still creating. This is the only really I like now from these new tools about the Copilot actions. Because when you are not a graphic designer or you don't have a graphic designer, this can be great, no? I don't like too much. You like some? Or we can get more.
Sergi, you're missing Carlos, the designer.
Yeah. Also, we have a graphic designer here in the community, but he's not coming today. I can blue no. Get more relevant. Well, let's try. Can you try some other? Can you try
too artistic?
Other more simple? Is excessive artistic. If not, I like this version. And while this is still giving us something, I want to show you this. Where is this one? With the copilots, I still creating something for CSS because I don't have idea about CSS. Then I create this one. Yuko, this is Lee. This is the other guy still here now.
My hair.
Okay, so see, I create all this one with Blazor and no JavaScript, no nothing. All is Bulma, C# and CSS. For calculate all this one, we use trigonometry, and for calculate this one, so simple. This all is only CSS. Here is CSS plus C#. Let's see the other logos he create. I like this logo. Okay, I want to download this logo. So let's use this logo like our logo for the community, and then going to create here my folder about images, and then inside the folder paste the image. Okay. Is already there. Okay, so here now we can use the source is images dash logo JPEG. Let's see how it's seen the page. We need to edit this one and remove the background, I guess. But it's easy. Okay, so until here we finish for today. Because all of you enter late, but I am here already from 6 talking with myself.
Yeah.
I'm going to edit with GIMP. I'm going to stop the recording.